Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add link on your Instagram. Now you want to add your website link, your Facebook link, or your business link. How do you go about it? What you need to do is open your Instagram account and click on this your profile picture. Then you come to this your edit profile, and here you're going to scroll down and you're going to say add link. Click on it and this is it. You can add your external link and you can add your Facebook link. Just click on the add external link and you're going to just copy the URL area, put the title, then you click on mark. When you are done, it's very simple. And with the Facebook profile, just click on Facebook profile and it's going to take you to Facebook, and you'll be able to, you can see, just click on anyone you wanted to add. Once you click on it like this, click on continue and you'll be able to add any link or any profile on your Instagram for business opportunity or for business purpose. So guys, for this video, push more the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.